Everybody, how are you? This is Nick Tsoukalis with Key Credit Repair reporting the latest in credit news. Okay, phantoms. There are many of you out there, 45 million Americans with no credit score. You are invisible. You can't get credit because you're not utilizing credit. Not necessarily a bad thing. I kind of envy you sometimes. Imagine if I could just evaporate. I think it would be totally cool, or just totally not participate in the system. But unfortunately, if we're financing a car, if we're needing to get some student loans for our kids, if we need to finance braces for our kids, if we need to purchase our home or investment properties or our commercial properties, we need credit scoring. 45 million of you are not participating. Again, can't say I don't envy you, seeing or dealing with credit nightmares all day long. It looks like the credit scoring system is going to be working on coming up with an alternative scoring for these consumers. And if you're one of them, you're going to have some interesting options coming up. One thing that I discovered recently, which I thought was absolutely cool, was something called Rental Karma. I'll actually place a link for it below. And it's something that we're probably going to be offering to our clients quite a bit. It's the ability to have the rent that you're paying report to the credit agencies each month. And you can actually control that, control the reporting of it yourself without needing your landlord actually to participate. It's a payment system that reports to the bureaus. I think it's a wonderful alternative to going out and just financing a bunch of things. So there are things that you're doing right now as a consumer that you're paying on a monthly basis that aren't reporting yet to the bureaus. What we need to do is we need to get the utility companies to give you an opt-in option. So that hits the credit agencies. Um, uh, you're renting an apartment, that's going to be a big thing. Again, you're going to see companies like Rental Karma becoming extremely popular. They're growing at a super fast rate. Ways that you can prove your credibility without actually borrowing money. Okay. You can be, or I believe you can be absolutely credible without having to borrow money. Why the need, or why are we having to borrow money to show our ability to pay back our creditors or to build our credit? For more questions, guys, on how to build alternative credit without having to borrow a bunch of money unnecessarily that you don't want to pay interest on, feel free to give me a call. Request a consultation before. There are great ways to build credit, and we can assist you a lot of this stuff. My name is Nick Tsoukalis. I'm the president and owner of Key Credit Repair, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.